When you disrespect Australian law, they will tell you firmly.
I am truly sorry that Pistol and Boo were not declared.
Johnny, how are Pistol and Boo? Declaring your name. Amber, how you feel?
Thanks, guys. Cheers. Looking forward to it. What are you expecting from court this morning?
Australia is a wonderful island with a treasure trove of unique plants, animals, and people.
It has to be protected.
Australia is free of many pests and diseases that are commonplace around the world. That is why Australia has to have such strong biosecurity laws.
And Australians are just as unique, both warm and direct.
Thank you. This way. This way.
It's incredibly important. Every nation has something that they're red hot about, and we are red hot about our biosecurity requirements in this nation.
Are you happy with that result, Johnny?
Thank you. Thank you. Here you go. In you go.